So I kept seeing the LANEIGE Lip Sleeping Mask berry everywhere, Instagram, TikTok, Amazon, people raving about how it gives baby soft lips overnight and smells amazing. Celebs are into it. Beauty editors love it. And I thought, okay, what's the hype about? It comes in this cute little pink jar with a tiny spatula, and it feels super luxurious when you first put it on. The scent is very berry, like a fruity candy, but not too overpowering. Texture-wise, it's thick and glossy, but not sticky. Kind of feels like a balm and gloss had a baby. Now here's where it gets interesting. A lot of people genuinely love it. Like, they say they wake up with smooth, soft, hydrated lips, even if they had super chapped lips the night before. And one little jar apparently lasts forever, since you barely need any product. But there's definitely another side to this. Some people said it actually dried their lips out more or made them peel, especially after using it a few nights in a row. Others thought it was overhyped. Like, yeah, it's nice, but it didn't change their life or do anything magical. I even saw some Reddit threads where people were like, this ruined my lips, while others were defending it like it's holy grail status. So, really mixed bag. What some folks do to make it work better is use a basic lip balm or moisturizer underneath, then layer the LANEIGE mask on top before bed. Apparently, that combo helps seal and moisture more effectively. So is it a scam? Nope. It's not some sketchy knockoff or fake hype. It's a real product from a legit, well-known Korean skincare brand, and clearly a lot of people genuinely love it. But does it work for everyone? Not necessarily. It depends on your lips, your skin, maybe even your climate. If you've been thinking about trying it, I'd say it's worth testing out, but maybe start with mini or sample size first. That way you can see if it actually works for you without committing to the full price.